What's up, gang? I hope you're doing well today, guys. Okay, guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn $1, guys, just for entering my code, guys. And guys can see, guys, I'm on Hive app, guys. Here, guys, you earn by sharing pictures, videos, and so forth, guys. And also you can buy NFTs, guys, as you can see here. Okay, let me show you, guys. As you can see, guys, here at the top, post in specific account. Okay, let's post a picture, guys. Picture. Okay, let me post this one. Done. And then next, post. You can see now posting, guys. Here you say post now is finishing point post. Now it's done, guys. You see, now I can see my picture, guys. If you want, you can like your picture, guys, 5 times. Okay, done. Okay, now as you can see here, guys, I have 3,415, guys. You have tokens. Okay, now I'm going to click on it, guys. Okay, as you can see, guys, 3,415, guys, is equals to 35 rand, guys, in my currency. But in US dollar, I have almost $2, guys. Now as you can see, guys, here, when you invite a person, guys, you'll earn $1, $1.50. I hope, or I guess. Okay, to be eligible to earn this 2,000, guys, or $1, guys, of Uhive, you have to enter my code, guys. Okay, now go to invite friends. As you can see here, guys, here's my invite code, guys. And then once you enter my invite code, you will get 2,000 tokens, guys, which is equals to $1. And also I will get 2,000 you have tokens, guys. And then here, guys, as you can see here, if you invite 5 friends, you will earn 2.5. 10 friends, 5,000. And then if you invited 25 friends, you'll earn 20,000 you have dollars, which equals to about $30, guys. Okay, now I'm going to share my code, guys, or link. You press on share. Okay, copy, and then you invite your friends, your family, anyone you would like to invite, guys, you can. Okay, and then if you invite 100 friends, guys, you will earn 200,000, guys, equals to $200, guys, or even above. Okay, guys, as you can see, guys, here are dividends for all, guys. You tap on it and then you will be able to join these dividends, guys, which will earn you have tokens. And then here, guys, recent tips, as you can see, I have 1.2, guys, you have tokens, which equals to $15. I mean, which equals to $1, guys. What about that? Here, guys. And then here you can see my history, guys. As you can see, I have received an award, guys. Okay, now view all. Where is it? Okay, as you can see, guys, about invitation. invitation. I earn 2000 guys, plus 2000 you have tokens guys from my invitee guys. Okay, back. Okay, invite. It's going to track. I'm going to show you guys. Here I have one invite guys that I invited guys, and I earn. Okay, as you can see guys, you have to follow these steps to earn your $1.50 guys. Here are the rules guys. Okay, to be able to earn this invite guys, you have to verify your email guys. Make sure you invite you verify your email guys, then you will successfully get your 2000 Uhive guys tokens. As you can see, I have invited one friend, so I earn 2000 guys. If guys you didn't follow the instructions, all the invitation that you invited, they will fail guys. Okay, as you can see here guys at the bottom, I invited all the way to date was on the 29th guys this month, and then as you can see guys, status claimed provided the user is active. You see? Okay guys. Okay, now let me show you how you can withdraw guys. Okay, back. As you can see, you can deposit or stake your Uhive tokens guys. Now come here guys, here in the two stripes here guys, and then come here, withdraw tokens. Okay, as you can see guys, these are the wallets guys that you can withdraw to, or if you like you can withdraw to Trust Wallet. Just tap here, read full list. Okay, now it's loading. Okay, done. Now as you can see guys, exchange platforms guys, it's Probit, La Tokens, Crypto.com, and then compatible wallets guys. Here all the wallets that you can withdraw to. These here guys at the bottom here are our wallets that are not supported guys. Please don't use these wallets to withdraw your Uhive tokens. Okay, now let's go back guys. Okay, once guys we've entered your wallet guys, come here, agree, and then continue. And as you can see guys, my withdrawal balance is 2000 Uhive tokens guys. Then you enter your tokens here, and then your wallet that you will get from Trust Wallet, and then you press continue, and then you are done guys. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos guys. I will see you in the next one. Peace.